Importance of time. Good morning, respected principal, teacher, parents, and my dear friends. Today, I am here to share my views about importance of time. It is rightly said that time and tide waits for none. Be it rich or poor, time waits for no one. We all are allotted a certain amount of time in our lives, and hence we must use it wisely. Time once passed cannot be brought back. Time is precious and we must not waste it. If we utilize our time properly, it will help us to have a bright future. Whereas, if we keep on wasting time by doing meaningless tasks, it can lead to failure. Time is more precious than money. Every person who wants to be successful must understand the value of time. We must plan all our activities to save time. Students can make a timetable to revise their syllabus so that it becomes easy to study during exams. Grown-ups also need to save time and utilize it for productive work. Doing the right things at right time is also important. Striking a cold iron cannot be useful. The right time is when the iron is red hot. Hence we say, a stitch in time saves nine. When we save time, we can utilize it to focus on our health and learning new things. Spending on time with our family is also equally important. It is said that time is the most precious gift you can give someone. Then why not give it to our loved ones? When we give someone our time, we give them a portion of our life. Then we will never get back. When we spend our time with our family, what we get in return is memorable moments of life. It is said that time is money, but we must note that if we lose money, we can get it back somehow. But if we lose time, it cannot be recovered by any way. With this, I end my speech. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.